In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss on IBKR Mobile. Now, the first thing you want to do here inside your app, you want to go to the very bottom and tap on where it says trade in the middle. So tap on that. And then from here, you'll first have to search for whatever, of course, you want to get to actually set the stop loss. For this, I'm just going to go ahead and go to the search button up top, and I'm just going to go for Apple right now. Of course, you can do whatever you want here, and I'm going to go for a stock, just something very simple, just so I can show you how to actually do this. Now, whenever you are inside your order window, so this is usually this, which is the buy order or the sell order, you'll be able to see here you have a few options. You have to select your quantity, the order type, limit price, etc. And then there's actually two ways to do this. So down here, as you can see below everything, it says attach/bracket order. You can just go ahead and tap on that. It's going to open up a window saying attach stop loss. You can just enable this, and then you can go ahead and set your stop loss price over here. And then you can also select your stop loss type, so either stop or stop limit, and then the time in force as well. However, what you could also do is up top over here where you can see it says order type, you could tap on that arrow to the right of where it says limit, and then in here you can also set a stop or a stop limit order, and then basically just select your price. Okay, so that's basically how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.